In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow to shape in Canva. We'll start by creating a simple shape, then turn it into an image so we can apply Canva's shadow effects for a clean, professional look. Follow along, and you'll have a nicely shaded shape in just a few minutes. First, hover over the Elements panel on the left side of your Canva workspace. In the search bar at the top, type the word Shape. This brings up a variety of basic shapes you can use. Click the Shapes category to open the full library, then choose the shape you want. Once you've picked one, drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners and position it where you like. If you want to customize the look before adding the shadow, click the color tile on the top toolbar and choose a new fill color that fits your design. Next, we'll quickly export the shape as an image. Go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. In the File Type menu, make sure it's set to PNG. PNG preserves sharp edges and is ideal for graphics like shapes. Click PNG to confirm, and then click Download to save it to your computer. Now let's bring that image back into Canva so we can access the shadow options. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then click Upload Files. Select the PNG you just saved. Once it appears in your uploads, drag and drop it onto the canvas, replacing or sitting on top of your original shape. With the uploaded image selected, click Edit in the top toolbar. Scroll down in the editing panel until you see shadows and click See All to open all available styles. From here, select the shadow style you like best. You'll typically see options such as a standard drop shadow or glow-like outlines. After you choose one, adjustment controls may appear, letting you fine-tune the look. Try tweaking the offset to control the direction, the blur to soften the edges, and the transparency to make it more subtle or bold. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so take a moment to match the shadow with your background and color palette it. That's it. You created a shape, exported it as a PNG, re-uploaded it, and used Canva's shadows to add depth. Resize or reposition your shaded shape as needed to complete your layout. If you ever want to change colors or swap the shadow style, just reselect the image, open Edit, and update the settings.